What if I told you that the wealthiest families in the world follow one simple rule that almost no one knows about, and that this rule has allowed them to preserve and grow their wealth for generations? While most people spend their entire lives working for money, these families teach their children something completely different. And the most surprising part is that this rule could change your financial future starting today. Stay until the end, because you'll discover why wealth disappears in so many families, while in others, it keeps growing generation after generation. There's a well-known saying among entrepreneurs and financial experts: the first generation builds the wealth, the second generation preserves it, the third generation loses it. Yet some families have managed to break that cycle for hundreds of years. It wasn't luck. It wasn't because they won the lottery. And it wasn't because they were simply smarter than everyone else. Their secret comes down to one simple rule they teach their children from a very young age. A rule that is rarely taught in school. Most people believe that becoming wealthy is simply about earning more money. But truly wealthy families understand that money is only a tool. The real asset is financial knowledge. From an early age, their children learn one powerful lesson: don't work only for money. Make your money work for you. While many families teach their children, study hard, get a good job, and work hard, wealthy families add one more sentence: buy assets that continue generating income, even while you sleep. That's the difference. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of it. It sounds simple, but that small distinction completely changes a family's financial future. While many people buy expensive things to appear wealthy, successful families buy investments that produce more income. Then they use that income to buy even more assets. It's a snowball effect that becomes stronger with time. But here's the rule that very few people ever talk about. Wealthy families don't just pass down money. They pass down education. They pass down values. They pass down systems. Instead of saying, one day, all of this will be yours, they say, first, learn how to manage it. Because they understand one uncomfortable truth: someone without financial education can lose millions of dollars in just a few years. But someone with financial knowledge can rebuild wealth even after losing everything. That's why they spend years teaching their children how to invest wisely, how to save consistently, how to avoid unnecessary debt, how to think long-term, and how to make financial decisions without letting emotions take control. Then something remarkable happens. While most people make financial decisions based only on today, wealthy families make decisions with their grandchildren in mind. They don't ask, how much money will this make me this year? Instead, they ask, how will this decision affect our family 20 or 30 years from now? That single shift in mindset changes everything. Now let me ask you something. If you lost every dollar you own today, would you still have the knowledge to build your wealth again? Because money can disappear. Knowledge stays with you forever. And that is the most valuable inheritance anyone can leave behind. It doesn't matter how much money you have today. What truly matters is the financial mindset and habits you're building for the next generation. Perhaps real wealth isn't measured by the size of your bank account, but by your family's ability to create wealth again and again. Now I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you believe financial education should be taught from childhood? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth, investing wisely, and achieving financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And always remember, wealth isn't measured by how much money you earn. It's measured by the knowledge you pass on to the next generation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.